Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yip.com. And now we have to search something using this custom search engine. And now click on the three dots icon and go to settings. And then go to search engine, and you recently visited, you should have yip.com option, so you can select that and then you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now changed to Yip. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.